You still believe in the investment mantra that you were often credited as your mantra, which is invest in what you know.
Yeah, I'm amazed if somebody. Imagine you spent you a long time in your field,
yes.
in my field. Imagine if you're in a mall the last 30 years.
yes,
you would have seen the Gap. You would have seen Best Buy. You would have seen
exactly
Circuit City. You would have seen these companies that are crowded doing something better, and they're buying biotechnology stocks or oil companies. It makes no sense to me. If you're in the steel industry, you see it go from awful to better.
Yeah.
Why don't you buy a steel
stock?
stock?
We expect mutual funds to know that stuff. No, obviously.
Well,
if you're managing,
but they're ahead of us.
If you look at Magellan or you look at BlackRock, you think they must have access to the best information in the world.
But they don't have that. They're not in the steel industry. They don't see things get better. The way they don't see the chemical industry turning as soon as the people in the chemical industry do. I mean, you could be in the plastics fields or lithium, whatever it is.
People in the business see it first,
and that they see it first. Or they. But that's,
go ahead.
In a mall, imagine the companies you've seen, the Dunkin' Donuts. It goes on and on. Walmart, Stop and Shop. These are all companies that really got better. Somebody said, "Gee, I'm shopping there." But I'm not saying people should. If they want to invest, they ought to do the same kind of research they do when they buy a refrigerator. Or they take a trip to Italy. Do some homework.